Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Redmi Note 12S. Yeah, and whatever language you have on your phone right now, whatever letters and so on, the symbols and the positions I will show you in that tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, let's start now with the settings. So just look here for the icon for the settings. This is how it looks like. Most of the time you can also scroll down here right next to the camera and then you will find here also the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it then. And now you need the point additional settings. So just scroll down to see this gray icon here with 3 gray points in it. And now you will need the second point for languages and input. And now you will need the first point for languages. And now you are having here a list, like in my case, with many opportunities. And yeah, just choose a language here. And in some cases, you can choose also a local dialect. Let's take maybe here English with the dialect of the United Kingdom. Tap then after here on the blue button to confirm. OK. And now the phone is in my case here in English with the dialect of the United Kingdom. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.